जीएमसींतल्यान तपासा उपरांत पळ काडिल्ल्या चोराक धरपाक निमणे वास्को पुलिसांक येस आयलें। फेब्रुवारी म्हयन्यांत वास्को वाठारांत एका अनवळखी दुबावितान 2,25,000 चोरिल्ले। ह्या चोरी प्रकरणांत वास्को पुलिसांनी रवी सुमरावाक अटक केल्लो। एका म्हयन्या उपरांत तपासा खातीर जीएमसींत व्हेल्लो तेन्ना ह्या चोरान पळ काडिल्लो। वास्को पुलिसांचे ह्या चोरांक सोदपाचे यत्न चालू आशिल्ले। गोंय पुलिसांक तामिळनाडू धाडून मोबायली ट्रेस करून चोराक सोदप चालू आशिल्ले। निमणे मोबायल ट्रेसाच्या आदारान हो चोर गोंयांत येता हें पुलिशेक कळ्ळें। उपरांत ताका वास्को पुलिसांनी चिखले वाठारांत धरलो। ह्या घडणुकेचो फुडलो तपास चालू आसा।
In the month of February, we have registered one theft case wherein some unknown culprit had damaged the rear window of one vehicle while it was parked in the city and stolen 2,50,000 from the vehicle. So after that, we had registered the crime and we were in search of the accused. So while conducting the investigation, we had arrested one accused, namely P. Ramesh. So on the same day, that is on 28th of April, and on the same day, while he was taken for the medical examination at GMC, after conducting the medical examination, he was escaped from the lawful custody of the police. So in this connection, we had given the complaint at Agashim police station, and the offence was registered at the Agashim police station. And the day he escaped from the custody, we were in search of the accused. We had put in all the efforts to search this accused, and we had used all the machinery like sources of intelligence, technical assistance to search the accused. So last 2 days, I had sent one team consisting of PSI Ganesh Matondkar at Tamil Nadu, where we had traced the location of the accused. So when our team reached to the Tamil Nadu, they were observing the location of the accused. So while observing the location to technical assistance, it came to know that the location of the accused is tracing at Belgaum side. So our team started to keep watch on the location of the accused. So here I also found another team consisting of PSI Swapnil, Purushottam Naik and others to keep the watch. So while keeping the watch on the location, we came to know that the accused is moving towards Goa. So I alerted my team and we laid a trap in the city area and all over Goa. So when we came to know that the accused is moving towards the Vasco, we managed to detain him at Chikalim. So after detaining him, we brought him at the police station and lodged him in lockup. So now we had taken 5 days remand of the accused, and we will conduct our further investigation in this case. And once the investigation is completed, we will hand over the accused to the Agasam police station for further investigation.